€5,000, because this is a whole expense which they write off. So that allows them not to have to spend the tax. So it's technically free, even though they're paying for it, but it's a write-off. And it's like a loop where, you know, the landlord knows that the company's doing well. It's like, here, look, I'll increase your rent by X amount. You won't have to pay X amount of rent, X amount of tax then. You know, you just pay me the money, write it off, and then that's how it works. Like, you know, like I'm sure there's like other ways around it, but to me that's how it is, and that's how the prices are going up. And while all these office houses are going up in price, that means the rent is going up because demand, the value of these houses are going up. So I'm hoping for a massive dramatic shift where the offices are empty and they decide to convert them into apartments, and then it just floods the market. And as the market is flooded, the prices will drop. So, I don't know. Could be a good thing, could be wishful thinking, could be just something insane. But yeah, hopefully. Now again, for most people, work from home doesn't suit them. You know, if you have kids running around, if you have noisy neighbours, construction next door. For me personally, it works beautifully. I do a 5k walk in the morning. I come home, I have a shower, I start my daily work. I'm finished at 4 o'clock and I'm home. Like, I've been given the gift of 2 hours a day, you know. Now I'd normally spend the hour in the gym, so I'm technically just given that time back and the hour to travel home, like. So it works out great for me, and I hope it works out a lot for a lot of other people. Right, so we're coming up on Holler Street. Starting to get windy now, so we might get some music around. So if you haven't noticed from my last few, oh, there we go, there's another one. Another one of those boxes, painterly coloured, you know. Looks better than the grey metallic box that it is. I think I actually walked down this road before, actually, as well. I did. Right. So if you just, this is the first video that you're seeing, I'm doing 5-minute segments, and this is a continuation of my walk. I'm hoping to do a 1 hour long walk, so it's 12 videos. That'll cover 24 days. Then I have to record another video tomorrow and the day after, and I have to edit these and upload them and blah 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 blah. So, lots of work to do before my trip to Thailand. I'm sorry, I don't know if I'm rubbing that in because I'm bragging about it, but yeah, I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time. Would you go to Thailand during the COVID situation? Like, what you need to do now is you need to have the proper insurance. You need to book a specific hotel. You need to book your flights. Then you have to get a PCR test before you go, PCR test when you arrive, and PCR test when a week after you arrive. Now, PCR test before you leave, if you turn positive on that, you're not getting on that flight. If you land in Thailand and you test positive, you have to go to hospital. It's not quarantine, it's not isolation. You have to go straight to the hospital until you're negative. So it's a risk. And then you also run the risk of, if you book your entire holiday, Airbnbs and hotels, and you miss your first flight, well, it throws everything off, you know. So there's a bit of a gamble there. So let me know in the comments below, would you visit Thailand? I'm only doing it because I'm going for it. I've been trying to go to Thailand for the last 2 years. It's either going to happen or I give up on it. And that's as simple as that.